more than 2.5 million videos are uploading on YouTube every single day. Without chasing views, you can promote your video through ads so that your videos can go to your targeted audience and you can get quality views on every single video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can run a Google ad on your YouTube video so that you can promote your video to the right person. Let's dive into it. First, so for those who want YouTube videos through ads, it is most likely applicable, or it is most suitable for those people who want video views. At the same time, it will be better if they can sell through those videos. Okay, but anyone they want just video views through the ads, that can be good for them. So without further any delay, let's jump into our screen so that we can see how we can run our ads. Okay, so first here, as we can see, this is our Google Ads dashboard. If you are not familiar with it, just go to ads.google.com. There you can, by start, you can come where you get a dashboard like this, which is Google Ads dashboard. So in here, what we will do is go to campaign where we'll promote our video. So first we will go to campaign. We will click here. We can see a plus icon. Here we will go to the new campaign. Okay, so we give new campaign. What is our goal? Okay, so it can be many goal. So for the views, actually our main goal is most of the time is kind of getting more views. So we choose the awareness and consideration, that people understand or people see our videos. Okay, from the awareness kind of thing, what we want video views. Here you can see another option, that if you want YouTube subscription and engagement on your video, you can pick this one, but this will for running ad on this goal, you have to link your channel. As you can see, I didn't link in this account, so that it is telling me, it's prompting me for linking channel. So I don't do that for that. For now, I just only go with YouTube views. If you want subscriptions, engagements of your YouTube video, you can definitely choose this option. But for the this only, I am picking the video views option. Okay. So here you can use the only campaign type is video. Okay, so we have choose the video once and click continue. Okay, start new. Well, here you will give name of your campaign. It's on you that how you can remember. For me, I just picking name here. Okay, that's enough. That's optional. Okay. After that, what we'll do is here, as you can see, there is ad formats where you can see three options that's checked in. So if your let me explain you which one is which one. And here it is capable skippable ads. Most of the time what we see, like appear for 3 to 5 seconds, where we'll able to skip 3 to 5 seconds or 6 seconds, even 12 seconds. Okay, so skippable ads will be placed there. Also, in feeds ads are those who are which are placed on YouTube feed, like with suggestions of videos where people get some of videos on the feed. Okay, so we can also place our videos on the feed from there, right here. Also, here is shorts ad. Sometimes what happens when we scroll through ads, we will see some scroll shorts, we see some static ads that appears. So these are three placements you can place. So if you have any kind of videos like that is on only short form and it will work perfectly on only short form, you can just uncheck do and you can only go with short ads. Okay, or you think that maybe you have used a huge hook or a super hook that people will stick with your video, so that you can go with skippable in-stream ads. Okay, also you think that your video is like, okay, if I lay to the video feed of YouTube, it will be very better to get clients from there. So you can also it will be better to get clickable, or people will be more discover my videos. You can then go with in-feed ads. Okay, so there are three placement that you can place. Make sure which one is go with you, pick those as yours. Okay, so here is what is CPV. It's cost per view. Okay, so cost per view means money you want to spend for each view. Okay, so you can add your target cost per view, like you like 0.01 or 0.001 cent for each views. You can give them a target. Okay, in our description you can see it later. Okay, so here you have campaign total, how much money you want to put on each campaign. You can go with $10, $20, how much you want to spend. So for assume I just applied here $10 for now, and immediate is after the campaign. Also you can give the ending date from here. Okay, or you can pick a date that is far that now. Okay, so on you when you want to finish this ad. So after comes here with where do you want to place your ads, like Google, YouTube, and YouTube have some placement. But if you want, like Google has other platforms as well, like when are going with like Google will give ads on third-party apps. Okay, so if you want to give place your ads in your third-party app, you can also use check marks, like app that is connected through Google, and if you check this thing, ad will go to their app. When they are using those app, they will your will be pop up right there. Okay, so make sure if you need this, you can check it, or if you don't need, just uncheck it. Okay, so that what's location, which you want to place your ad. You can place in a whole over country if you want, like any location, like go with only Texas, or you can add multiple location from here, like you want to add at the same time, like Vancouver. Okay, you can include you understand whichever area you want to target, you can target. Okay, yeah, I want to target the whole country, like you don't have any targeting, maybe anyone can be see your videos, that can be, you can target like USA, you can target, or at the same time Canada. Okay, you can target like that. I think you understand the from here. After that, you can target locations from here, and also if ad is not in European kind of thing, you should be always in, no, this isn't have European ads. Okay, okay, so ad related videos. Here you can add related videos of the campaign that you are the videos that you are putting right here. Okay, so you can add here. I'm showing you by taking example of like this. If I want like this video, I'm just copy and paste the YouTube link here, and you can see. Okay, there is an option coming in, as you can see. Okay, okay, it is done. Oh, maybe I have to add another video. Well, in case, let me just add another video from the feed. Well, let me just add those Alex Hamosi video also, as I don't have any video uploaded in my channel. Okay, okay, two videos I have added. After that, what we have to do is we have to make our ad groups workable. Okay, So also we can give another our name, which helps us to understand or remember things. Okay, now we have to add audiences. Well, what is audiences? Like, which, if you have already created an audience, then you can just add it here. I have already added an audience, created an audience here. So let me brief you in short. Like, your competitors' video, okay, like that your video, if video is placed your competitors video feed or competitors video starting, maybe there is a high chance they will see your video or the will see your video. If you think you can go to your audience and you can create those. If you need any help regarding this, you can just book a meeting, book a one-on-one call under the video description. I can help you with that. But in short, what I've done here is I added my competitors YouTube channel here. At the same time, if you have competitors website that, okay, what audiences are in these websites, you can give them those websites as well. At the same time, if you want that these keywords that people are searching in my niche or my audience are searching this, you can just list down those and add into your audiences. Okay, so what I done here, I've done the exact same things here. I have created an audience here. Also, I have targeted with age, the top 10%. Okay, based on your need, I have added here. After that, audience that while you enable it, Google will optimize your ads, and mostly he will show your videos to related people. Like, okay, your audience you gave me, but these are also the people, they are most likely to your audience. Can I expand to them? This is like this box is, yeah, go to them as well. Okay, well, but if you don't want hesitation, if you don't want hassle, like I don't want to create competitors or I didn't create audiences, you can add your keywords right here. Okay, so if you have let's see if I have any keyword list right here, I will add it on keyword. Okay, if you have your website, like paste your website right here, it automatically take your videos, the keywords from your website. Like if I go to, if I copy and paste my website URL here, they are most likely search me. Oh, it's not getting from my website, but okay, take right here. But if you have any keyword like this, you can what you can do is just copy your URL from here, keywords from here, and just paste it here. What happened? Yeah, this is how you can target that people are searching for your videos or your audience are searching for that. Okay, so yeah, I'm not targeting like that through keywords. I'm not adding anything here. Also, you can search topics want to target. Like if you have a channel of automotive, you can go auto and vehicle. If you have entertainment, you can, under the entertainment, you can go very deep and deep and deep. Maybe you have a movie review channel, or maybe you have computer electronics channel where you review your videos. Maybe you have a gaming channel. You can also add your gaming right here. It's on you, like target every kind of people who are who games, or maybe only just the board games, card games people. Maybe someone is role playing or tablet games or world games. Okay, or you don't want any of these. Okay, you have health related channel, kind of like that. You want, what's the principle right here? Okay, you add all your topics right here, and at the end you can also if you want that, you can add your you can target your videos into your YouTube channels. Like if you want to place your video in like inside emojis video, you can do is just copy and paste your YouTube that you want to show your videos on. As you can just picked here what it will do, while in the particular location where the people are watching Alex Homos's video, your video your ad will go to their feed while playing the Alex Homoses video. Okay, so that you can target other creators channel as well, like I'm FinGeek as well. Okay, like yeah, after searching, yeah, you see, that's how it's work. Okay, now what's your video will be, it's come at the very end. Okay, so your video that you want to really promote, and you come here, just copy and paste your video, and when it's done it will show like this. After that, what you will do, you will give a final URL that where you want your people to go, or just you can also let it blank, but I prefer to add a destination, like which be helpful for you. Maybe if you have a newsletter where they can sign up, like that. While the videos, you can also add a call to action. You can also give the call to action button a link, like okay. So here you can add your one call to action that you want to hear, book meeting, or if it's go in the book now. So also you can add header one I have here. Well, here the thing is you have to add only 30 characters. So what you can do, this is coming because I didn't confirming from my phone right here, sorry for that. For here you can add fix your indexing right. Wait, well, from here you can use these as book now for the call to action. After that, you can add a headline which will appear here. Also, you can add a long headline which can be appear other areas as well. Right now, also you can add a description from here. Let me just add it from my videos back then.
Video before where I audited this website completely.
So just paste. Oh, it's too long. I have to make it under. Well, use as much optimized text as you can to add here, so that it will when it's appear on other people's feed, it will be look very much familiar and good. So you can also upload banner from here. I'm not doing it, just auto. I am checking auto generate your channel banner. You can place it the name, get a vertical version of your videos. If you upload it on just landscape version, it will generate a vertical version for you. And at last, what I said earlier, how much do you want to pay for per video? So you want $0.01 per video. As you can see, true view target, CPV bid, cost per view bid. That's mean that you don't want to spend 0.01 cent for each view. So every view that Google Drive to your video, it will only be that 0.1 cent or less. Okay, but in my testing is sometimes I found that they will go for 0.023 cent for each video, because they have to to some people. But this is the thing that you are telling them to do. Okay, that you can just go with create campaign. Here prompting me to add more channels, so let me just add more channels that's come into my feed, like okay. So what I'm going to do is add more YouTube channels. Okay,
everyone, I'm Tim Zaid, founder.
Okay, maybe I can go right now. Oh, prompting me to add more channels. Okay, well, maybe it will it is going to, well, here we'll do is check you'll check everything right here, and after that you will continue to overview, and that's how your campaign will be launched. Okay, so this is how you can promote your YouTube video through ads. And if you need any help to promote your video, or if you are planning to launch your own Google Ads campaign, you can just book a meeting with me where I will assist you and help you to run your Google Ads and scale up your business through Google Ads. So you can see a form below and you can just book a meeting with me. Thank you.